Hello, Namaskar. I think mathematics is the very difficult subject for all students, but I will teach you how to solve the word problems in mathematics. And now I'm going to discuss about the word problems which are related to profit, loss, discount. So let's see how to solve it. Before going to discuss about the loss, profit, discount, first we should know what is cost price. What is cost price? It is denoted as CP. What is cost price? The price at which we buy the product, that is called CP. Is called CP. Okay. Then another is selling price. What is SP? It is denoted as SP. The price at which we sell the product is called SP. Okay. Then what is marked price? Marked price, there is it is denoted as MP. The price which is written on the product is called MP. Suppose you bought a product for rupees 20. Okay, you bought the product for rupees 20 and sold it for rupees 25. Okay, so obviously after transaction you gain 5 rupees. So when the SP is more than CP, there is a profit. Okay, so how will you get the profit? How will you get the rupees 5? SP minus CP, so profit equal to SP selling price minus cost price. When we express as a percentage, profit percentage how much? Now profit amount by cost price into 100. Keep in mind, if the profit percentage is given in the question, how will you find out the profit amount? The profit amount will be profit percentage by 100 into CP. Now profit always depend on the cost price. Okay. Similarly, if CP is more than SP, so there is loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP. Okay. So when we express as a percentage, then loss by CP into 100. If the loss percent is given in the question, when you find out the loss amount, so it will be depend on the cost price. Loss percentage by 100 into CP. Okay, is that clear? Also marked price. Okay, first we will discuss about profit loss, then we will discuss about marked price. Okay, marked price given. Listen, if the shopkeeper offers discount, so what is discount? Discount means rebate on the product. Okay, we will discuss it later, marked price and discount. First we should discuss about loss, profit, okay, and selling price, cost price. You know the formula, then we'll solve. Okay, suppose there is a question, the cost price, the CP of 30 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. Find the loss or profit in percentage, as a percentage. Okay, we don't know what is the cost price of an article and selling price of article, but cost, listen, could you, when you find out the profit or loss, first you should know the cost price and selling price. We don't know the value of cost price and selling price. Listen, so let CP of 30 articles X. Okay, CP of 30 articles will be X. So tell me CP of one article how much? X by 30 rupees. Okay, then tell me SP of 25 articles how much? Equal to X, because CP of 30 articles, CP of 30 articles. So tell me SP of an article how much? X by 25. Okay, X by 25. You got the, also if you find out the selling and cost price of each article and find out the selling and cost price of the same quantity, okay, also you will get the same percentage of loss and profit. So here CP of one article X by 3, CP of one article X by 25, X by 30 and X by 25, which one more? This one is more, selling price is more, so there is a profit, there is a profit, because SP is more than CP. So how will you get the profit? X by 25 minus X by 30. Their LCM how much? Take 25 and 30. 5, this is the 6, 25, 6, 150. This is the 6x minus 5x, x by 150. Okay, so profit percentage how much? Now x by 150 by cost price x by 3, x by 30 into 100. So x by 150 into 30 by x, x is cancelled into 100. This is the 5. 100 by 5, this is the 20%. Okay, understood? Okay. Listen, there is a question. Ravi sold his motorcycle to Vinith at a loss 28%. Got it? Vinith spent 1680 on its repair, then sold the motorcycle to Rahul for rupees 35,910 rupees, thereby making a profit 12.5%. Find the CP of a motorcycle for Ravi. Listen, here Ravi's selling price is equal to the Vinith's cost price, and Vinith's selling price is equal to the Rahul's cost price. But Vinith spent 1680 on selling price of the Ravi's, okay, and he sold it to the Rahul, okay, and also he gained profit 10%, okay. So for Ravi's, for Vinith, let the CP of motorcycle for Vinith, okay, X. Also he spent amount he spent on repairing rupees 1680. The total CP of motorcycle for Vinith, how much? X plus 1680. Okay. Okay. Selling price of motorcycle for Vinith, tell me. 35,910 rupees, and also he got profit percentage given 12.5%. Listen, to find out the cost price of Vinith, we should know the selling price and profit. Profit given as a percentage. So what is the profit amount? 12.5%. This is the 100 into 5% of cost price, x plus 80. Okay, So it will be 12.5, it will be 8, 1 by 8. So 1 plus 1680 by 8, this is the profit amount. Okay, so selling price equal to CP plus profit. Selling price how much for Vinith? Selling price how much? 35,910 equal to CP x, total CP x plus 1680 plus profit 1680 by 8. Okay, so 35,910 equal to 1680. If you take as a common, no, 1 plus 1 by 8. So 35,910 into, it will be 9 by 8, 8 by 9 equal to x plus 1680. So it will be how much? 9 3 27 8 9 9 81 80. Okay, then it will be how much? 0 7 8 7 9 7 divided 7 31 equal to 680. So x equal to 31 9 2 0 minus 1680 0 4, here is 8 2 0 3. Okay, 30,240. That is the what? CP of, total CP of motorcycle. There is a SP of what? Motorcycle for Ravis. X equal to SP of motorcycle for Ravis. How much? 30,240. Understood? Because Vinith bought at amount, at price, that is the selling price for the Ravis. Okay, so selling for Ravis, SP of motorcycle how much? 30,240. Okay, 30,240. Okay, Ravis, and also this and thereby find the okay, Ravis, and Ravis also gain loss. Ravis loss percentage given how much? 28%. 28% loss. Selling price given, loss given. Question given, find the cost price of motorcycle for Ravis. Let CP of motorcycle for Ravis Y. Okay, then what is the loss amount? 28 by 100 into Y, 725, 7y by 25. Okay, 7y by 25. We know that CP minus SP equal to loss if there is a profit. CP how much? Y. SP how much? Loss equal to 7y by 25. That equal to y minus 7y by 25 equal to 30,240. So y 25y minus 7y equal to 30,240. So it will be 18y equal to 30,240 into 25. Okay, so y equal to 30,240 into 25 by 18. Okay, if you solve it, 6 9 divided by 3 L 6 divided by 3 L and 0. Okay. Okay, then if it is divisible by 3, it will be 2, it will be 5040. 5040 divided by 2, it will be 25,070. Okay, 2570 into 25. If you multiplication, you will get the CP of Rabies. CP of motorcycle for Rabies. Okay, is that clear?